Page number 103. To divide a given quantity in a given ratio. 12 seed. So we will start with example 1. Not example 1, example 1, that is 11. 12 seeds are to be divided between A and B in the ratio 1:3. Find how many sweets each get. So we will find the ratio is 1:3. This means all the sweets are divided in 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4 equal parts. A get 1 part of the 4 equal parts made. So 1 by 4 of the total number of sweets, that is 1 by 4 into 12, which is equal to 3 sweets. So A will get 3 sweets and B will get 3 by 4 into 12 sweets, that is equal to 9 sweets. Thus, if a whole quantity is divided into two parts in the ratio 3:4, the first part is equal to 3 by 7 into the whole quantity and the second part is equal to 4 by 7 into the whole quantity. So, by this process we can solve the given question. Example 12. A pole of length 165 cm is divided into two parts such that their length are in the ratio 7:8. Find the length of each part of the pole. Here 165 cm is to be divided into two lengths in the ratio 7:8. That means 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Now, length of one part, that is shorter one. So 7 by 15 into 165 centimeter, which is equal to 77 centimeter, and length of other part, that is longer one, 8 by 15 into 165, which is equal to 88 centimeter. Example 13. Divide 99 into 3 parts in the ratio 2:4:5. Since 2 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 11, first part is equal to 2 by 11 into 99, that is equal to 18. Second part 4 by 11 into 99, which is equal to 36. Third part 5 by 11 into 99, which is equal to 45. Divide 268 into two parts in the ratio 2/1/3 is to 3/1/4. Given ratio. So given ratio, first of all you will change it into improper fraction, then it will come in divide. If you are changing it in the form of multiplication, then the right part of the given fraction is in its reciprocal, means the denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. So after cancelling we will get 28 by 39. So the given ratio is 28:39. Now adding the ratio 28 plus 39, which is equal to 67. So 28 by 67 into 268, which is equal to 28 into 4, which is equal to 112. Similarly, we will get the second part. Example 15. The total weight of the mixture of two things A and B is 50 kg. If A and B are mixed in the ratio 3:7, find the quantity of B in the mixture. Since A and B are mixed in the ratio 3:7 and 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Quantity of B in the mixture is equal to 7 by 10 into 50 kg, which is equal to 35 kg. Example 16. 420 articles are divided among A, B and C such that A gets 3 times that of B and B gets 5 times that of C. Find the number of articles received by B. So the least is C. So we will write that let the number of article C get is equal to 1. The number of article B get is equal to 5 times that of C. That means 5 into 1, which is equal to 5. The number of articles that A get is 3 times that of B. That means 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. So we got the ratio A is to B is to C is equal to 15 is to 5 is to 1. That is 15 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 21. Now, number of article received by B is equal to 5 by 21 into 420, which is equal to 100. So like this we have to solve exercise 11C. So 11C, we will start from question number 1. So date, exercise 11C, page number 105. Rupees 120 is to be divided between Hari and Gopi in the ratio 5 is to 3. How much does each get? So the given ratio is 5 is to 3, and sum means total ratio 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Now Hari will get, and what is the total amount? Total amount is equal to rupees 120. So Hari is with 5. So 5 by 8 into 120. So 8 ones are 8, 8 15s are 120, and 15 5s are 75. So rupees 75, and Gopi will get 3 by 8 into 120, that is equal to 45. Now question number 2, you will do divide 72 in the ratio 2 whole 1 by 2 is to 1 whole 1 by 2. So you will change it into improper fraction, and then you will divide. After finding the reciprocal, you will multiply, and then you will find out the amount, how much 72 is divided in the ratio 2 whole 1 by 2 and 1 whole 1 by 2. Divide 81 into 3 part in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. So here also 2 plus 3 plus 4, then first ratio will be 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So 2 by 9 into 81, you will get first part. Then 3 by 9 into 81, you will get the second part. Then 4 by 9 into 81, you will get the third part. Question number 4. How you will do question number 4? So this is the total amount. Total amount is equal to rupees 10,400, and we have to divide among A, B, C. So A is to B is to C is equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So we will find out the sum. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Or we can find out the LCM. LCM is equal to of 2, 3, 4. You know how to find out the LCM? 2, 3, 4. This is the for rough work. So 2, 1, 3, 2. Then 3, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So first will be 12 by 2, second will be 12 by 3, and third will be 12 by 4. This no need to write. So first one will be 6 is to 4 is to 3. Now we will write the sum of ratio, that is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 13. Now we will get the first part. So first part is equal to 6 by 13 into 10,400. So I think you can do second part like this. Second part will be 4 by 13 into 10,400. So like this you will get the answer. You will do the calculation and find out how much. Now question number 5. A profit of rupees 2,500 is to be shared among 3 persons in the ratio 6:9:10. How much does each person get? Again you will add all and take one part, then second part, then third part. Number 6. The angle of a triangle are in the ratio 3:7:8. Find the greatest and the smallest angle. So number 6. So given ratio of the angles, given ratio of angles is equal to 3:7:8. Now you will find the sum, that is 3 plus 7 plus 8, which is equal to 18. Now first angle. So here we will take, we know that sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this we are knowing, therefore first angle will be 3 by 18 into 180, which is equal to 30 degree. Then second angle is equal to 7 by 18 into 180, which is equal to 70 degree. Then third angle is equal to 8 by 18 into 180, that is equal to 80 degree. So here in the question is given which is the greatest and which is the smallest. So greatest angle is equal to 30 degree, and not 30, it is 80. Greatest is 80 and smallest is 30 degree angle. So we have completed up to question number 6. Now question number 7. The side of a triangle are in the ratio 3:2:4. If the perimeter of the triangle is 27, find the length of each side. So you can do it by adding this and by taking as one part and dividing it, we can find out. Now question number 8. An alloy of zinc and copper weight 12.5 kg. If in the alloy the ratio of zinc and copper is 1:4, find the weight of copper in it. So it is given that the total weight of alloy is 12 whole 1 by 2 kg. So question number 8. So total weight of alloy is 12 whole 1 by 2 kg, which is equal to 25 by 2 kg. Now in the question it is given that zinc is to copper is 1:4. So zinc is to copper is equal to 1:4, and we have to find the weight of copper. So what is the sum? Sum is equal to 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. Now what we have to do? Weight of copper is equal to 4 by 5 into 25 by 2 kg. So that is 10 kg, which is the required answer. Now 9 number, again 9 and 10 are similar. So 9 and 10 are similar. So 9 number is same as example 16. So you will try how it has been done in example 16. 10 I am doing. Mr. Gupta divide rupees 81,000. So total amount is equal to rupees 81,000 among his 3 children, Ashok, Mohit and Geeta, in such a way that Ashok get 4 times what Mohit get and Mohit get 2.5 times what Geeta get. So Geeta is getting the less. So we will think that let Geeta will get is 1. Then the second person is Mohit. So Mohit will get, that is 2.5 of Geeta, which is equal to 2.5 into 1, which is equal to 2.5. Now Ashok will get 4 times. So 4 times of Mohit, that is 4 into 2.5. So which is equal to 5 4s are 20, 0 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, that is 10. So we got the ratio. So the ratio is Ashok is to Mohit is to Geeta is equal to 10 is to 2.5 is to 1. Now sum. What will be the sum? 10 plus 2.5 plus 1, which is equal to 13.5. So we got 13.5. Now share of Ashok. Ashok will get 10 by 13.5 into 81,000. You will cancel, you will get the answer. Similarly, Mohit and Geeta. So 2.5 by 13.5 into 81,000. The answer will come in rupees. This is 1 by. So children, you will complete exercise 11B and 11C in your copy.